Hi, my name is Marek Libra and I'm about to show you a new cockpit feature integrating virtual machines management with oVirt. Let's start in the cockpit administration portal. Thanks to single sign-on available since 4.2, the administrator can be navigated to the cockpit running on the selected host just by selecting the host and clicking host console, accepting the fingerprint for the first time, and voila, we are there. If the SSO is not enabled, cockpit login form would be displayed to enter credentials for the particular host. In cockpit, so far there was virtual machines page managing virtual machines running on the particular server via libvirt. This works fine unless the host is member of an oVirt cluster. In such case, the newly introduced cockpit oVirt plugin takes place. With this plugin, the notion of cluster is brought into cockpit. Basic cluster-wide oVirt actions can be performed from the host level, and of course oVirt managed virtual machines running on the host can be managed from itself, not only from higher level administration portal UI. This is especially useful for fine-tuning and troubleshooting. The idea is to stay consistent with the libvirt-based cockpit machines and further extend both the display details same as the functionality. Plugin's default page still lists all virtual machines defined and running on the host as introduced in the cockpit machines plugin. The overview subtab is further extended for over specific details like boot order or icon. The console reflects specifics of oVirt cluster, including authentication or proxy. The user can start migration just by selecting the host where it should be migrated to and clicking the button migrate to, and the virtual machines will be migrated, or the migration will start. Other active actions like shutdown or restart are routed to oVirt instead of local libvirt call. Further, there was notion of cluster within the cluster subview. All cluster VMs are listed here. They can be started, like this one, and once they are started, they are visible as running in the list of host VMs, or the user can be navigated to particular cockpit session on a host where the VM is actually running. The user can list templates and potentially create a new one from the list just by clicking create. Since the package is meant to be installed on an oVirt host, the VDSM configuration file can be accessed from here as well. This VDSM configuration functionality will be replaced by proper UI later. From the ongoing work, I would name the host to maintenance action, which removes the particular host from oVirt scheduling and migrates all running VMs elsewhere. There's work in progress on the create virtual machine dialog and edit functionality for particular VM properties like CPU or memory and so on. VM snapshots management is planned as well, and I believe other functionality will follow as well. So thanks for watching.